standard students. Let's continue our chapter. Previous chapter, that is chapter number 5, fractions. Problem set number 19. Problem set number 19. Here we are going to compare fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions. Okay, and what do we studied in this chapter? Fraction chapter में हमने क्या पढ़ा? What do we studied? Equivalent fraction, obtaining equivalent fraction, like fractions, okay, and unlike fractions, okay. And what do we studied? Convert the like fractions into unlike fractions into the like fractions, okay. This we are studied. What is the like fractions? The fractions whose denominators are equal. Like fractions किसको बोलते हैं? Whose denominators are equal. That fractions are called like fractions, and whose denominators are different, that are called unlike fractions. Today here we are going to study how to compare the like fractions first. Okay, comparison. We are going to study here comparing the two fractions. If the fractions are like fractions, how do we compare them? And put the and write the proper symbol on the bracket. If the symbols are, question is write the proper symbol from greater than, smaller than, or equal to in the box. Okay. Here first there are 3 rules. First one is the like fractions. First क्या करेंगे हम लोग? We comparing the like fractions first. What is the like fractions? The first rule is that in the like fractions, the fractions with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. Okay, here for example is that 3/8. First one is 3/8 and 4/8. Okay, like fraction means whose denominators are equal. That is called the like fraction. Okay, clear? अगर आपको पहले क्या देखना है? When you are going to compare the fractions, first देखो कि it is a like fraction or unlike fraction. If it is like fractions, अगर ये like fraction है ना like fraction, why it is like fraction? Because its denominator is equal, है ना? So it is a like fraction. If it is like fraction, then with the greater numerator, फिर क्या देखना आपको? उनका numerator देखो. Numerator समझ में आता है ना सबको? This is the numerator. इसको बोलते हैं numerator, and this one is the denominator. Understand? So equal denominator है तो आपको ये कंपेयर करना है. स्मॉल नंबर सिंपल नंबर रहेंगे आपको 3 and 4, इनको आपको कंपेयर करना है. तो व्हाट वी डू? व्हिच इज द बिगर नंबर? 4 is bigger. That means this is the bigger number. We easily put the symbol like this. But when you are comparing the fractions, इसको बोलते हैं fraction. When you are comparing the fraction, what do you see first here? First look here. It is a like fraction or not? If it is like fraction, you see, look at only numerator. Here is 3 and 4. In between 3 and 4, which is the bigger number or greater number? That is 4 is a greater number. That means greater numerator is the numerator greater. That means greater numerator is a greater fraction. Okay, that means 4/8 is a greater fraction and 3/8 is a smaller fraction. Clear? If there is, it is a like fraction है तो आपको बस उनके न्यूमरेटर को देखना है. Whose numerator is greater, that is the greater fraction. Clear? Understand? One another example I will give here. For example, 5/9 and 2/9. Look here, this is also like fraction because denominator is equal 9. Then look at the numerator. Which is the greater numerator? 5 or 2? That is 5 is big number, greater number. That means 5/9 is a greater fraction. Understand? Okay. Second one. Second rule क्या है? What is the second? That is if the numerators are equal. That means example is another example I give here. 2/3 and 2/4. देखो, लुक हियर, यहाँ पे क्या इक्वल था, डिनोमिनेटर, और हियर क्या है इक्वल, न्यूमरेटर. अनदर रूल व्हाट इज दिस, ऑफ टू फ्रैक्शंस with equal numerator. Two fractions है 2/3 and 2/4. These are two fractions. Between these two fraction, its numerators are equal. उनके numerators क्या है, equal है. If the two fraction numerators, the fractions with the greater denominator. अभी जिसका denominator, देखो denominator अलग है, 3 and 4 है. Here rule क्या है, the greater denominator, बड़ा जो denominator है, is the smaller fraction. जिसका भी denominator big है, that is the small fraction. Understand? यहाँ पे क्या था, numerator bigger है तो greater fraction. If denominator is greater, कब जब उनका numerator equal रहेगा. If numerators is equal, if numerators are equal, then you have to look at the denominator. Denominator देखो, they are different, 4 and 3. Here you look which is the greater denominator. 4 is the greater, that means this is a small fraction. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, अलग भी आप लिख सकते हो, smaller denominator is a bigger fraction. Understand? Okay. Here are some examples are given. First, like fraction. Look here is 7 and 7. That is, it is a like fraction. When fractions are like fraction, then look at the numerator. Here is 3 and 2. Which is the bigger? 3 is the bigger or greater numerator. So 3/7 is a greater fraction. Understand? Here also, I will change here. I will like here, add here 4 or 5. Okay. Second is 3/8 and 5/8. Look here also, it is a like fraction. So look at the numerator. Which is the greater numerator? 5 and 3. Between these two, 5 is big number. That means 5/8 is a greater fraction. समझ में आया? Here I will also give you the one other examples here. One another example. For example, 8 and 5. 8/5 and 8/4. Then look here. Once again, here numerators are equal. Look at the denominator. क्या रूल है? Whose denominator is greater is a smaller fraction. यहाँ पे किसका denominator बड़ा है दिए, that means this one is small fraction. Understand? ध्यान से सुनो. Okay, look here again. Two examples are given here. 10/11 and 10/13. Here again numerators are equal. Then look at the denominator. Which denominator is greater? 13 is greater. That means this is the smaller fraction. Understand? Here second example, 1/5 and 1/9. Here also numerators equal है. Look at the denominator. Which is the greater denominator? 9. So that means this one is a smaller fraction. Understand? Okay. इसमें confusion नहीं होना चाहिए. If the denominators are equal, look at the numerator. And if the numerators are equal, look at the denominator. But यहाँ पे rule क्या है? Whose numerator is bigger is a bigger. And here, whose denominator is a bigger is a smaller. Understand? Okay. But when the comparison of unlike fractions, अभी यहाँ पे क्या है, fractions से क्या है, unlike fractions है. Okay. For example, 3/5 and 4/7. इसमें आपको ये करना है 4/7. तो अब क्या करेंगे? What do we do here? First, we can convert unlike fraction to compare unlike fraction. अब ये दोनों unlike fractions है. for comparing unlike fractions, we convert them into their equivalent fractions so that their denominators are same. ओके, पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इनको इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो हाउ वी कन्वर्ट देम इन इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन? तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको, यू मस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दिस फ्रैक्शन बाय 7 एंड सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन बाय 5. मतलब व्हाट इज दिस, 3/5 जो है दिस फ्रैक्शन को आपको यू हैव टू कंपेयर दिस, इसका जो डिनोमिनेटर है सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन की डिनोमिनेटर इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, एंड सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन व्हाट इज द सेकेंड इज 4/7. दिस फ्रैक्शन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई लाइक राइट हियर फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, इक्वल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, या फिर आप मल्टीप्लाई लिखो, मल्टीप्लायर्स लिखते हैं आप, याद है आपको, मल्टीप्लायर्स ऑफ 5 एंड 7 के मल्टीप्लाई 5 कर एंड मल्टीप्लायर्स ऑफ 7 के मल्टीप्लायर क्या है, याद है, yesterday I told you this. हाँ, तो देखो 5 and 7, इधर 5 and 7 है, 5 and 7 के मल्टीप्लायर्स लिखो. उससे तो कॉमन मल्टीप्लायर, इसमें कब क्या आता है, 35 कॉमन आता है इसमें दोनों में. और सो 5 7 जा, सो 5 7 जा, और इधर 7 5 जा. 5 7 जा ये लिखा, यहाँ पे 7 5 जा. तो 7 को अगर डिनोमिनेटर को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई numerator also by 7 and here by 5. Okay, so what is your answer? 7 3s are 21 and 7 5s are 35. Here also 4 5s are 20 and 7 5s are 35. Look here, equal denominator हो गए. So first क्या है, ये वाला first है, so write this first here, 21/35 and second one क्या है, 4/7, that is 20/35. Look here, like fraction 35 where it is like fraction, आपको यहाँ पे रूल मालूम है like fractions है, तो you have to compare only numerator. Numerator देखो, here is 21 and 20, which is the greater, 21, that means this one is a greater fraction. Now write this one, this side you have to put here. Understand? Easy है, हाँ. This one, these two are very easy. The third one for unlike, comparing the unlike fraction, it is also very easy, but don't confuse. Okay, another example I will give you here. 7/8. This one I am going to rough because I am going to explain another example here. So here this one, another example is that 7/8 and 14/16. Okay, here also you have to write multipliers of this number. Easy. 18, 8 का टेबल क्या है, 8 is table of 8. Here multiplier of 16. Like this. Look here, 7/8, here 14/16. Easy way. Here 7/8 first fraction, here 14/16. Look here, कॉमन क्या है, 8 के टेबल में कॉमन है 16. ओके, एंड हियर 16 के टेबल में भी 16 है ना. सो 8 2s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and here 16 1s are 16. Okay, so when you multiply numerator by 1, then you multiply denominator also by 1. Here when you are multiplying 8 by 2, then you multiply here also 2. That is 7 2s are 14 and 8 2s are 16. Here also 14 1s are 14 and 8 1s are 16 1s are 16. What is the new equivalent fraction? That is 14. That is why 14 upon 16 and 14 upon 16. Look here. What is this? Here also 14 upon 16 and 14 upon 16 equal. Then you put this mark equal to mark here. Understand? Okay? Easy hai? Like this, you have to solve this problem set number 19 like this way and compare the fractions and write the proper symbol. Once again, first rule is when it is the like fractions, okay, the fractions with the greater numerator greater, that fraction is the greater fraction. Okay, second rule क्या है? When the numerators are equal, then what you do? The greater denominator is a smaller fraction. Okay, greater denominator is a smaller fraction. Understand? And third में आपको क्या करना है? To compare unlike fractions, we convert them into the equivalent fractions so that their denominators are same. हमें अगर ऐसे unlike fractions है, तो you must convert them into the equivalent fraction and then compare. Okay, so that means these two are equal. Okay, understand? Okay, I will stop here. You have to do this homework. I will give you homework. Problem set number 19. Solve it and send me on my number.